In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the autumn filter on TikTok. This filter is also known as the autumn aesthetic filter. So if you go to the effects panel once you're on the TikTok camera, you might see it here in the trending section or you might not. In my case, it is not here. So I need to go back again. Then I'm going to tap on the Discover tab. Then in the search bar, I'm just going to type autumn filter. So just type autumn filter and then hit search. And for me, two pop up, but you want to tap on the one at the bottom with the green and the orange leaf there. That is the autumn filter. Now, if it doesn't pop up here, then just update your TikTok app to the latest version and then see if it pops up. Also, TikTok filters aren't rolled out to every single country at the same time, so you might just have to wait a few days for it to arrive onto your app. But I'm going to tap on the autumn filter and show you what it looks like. So you can add it to your favorites over here or try the effect at the bottom, which I'm going to do now. And what this filter does is it makes everything that is green, it makes it like this orangey color, like autumn. So I'm just going to take the filter off and I have this pad over here and it is green. So I'm going to apply the filter and you can see it changed all the green parts to this cool orangey color, which is pretty cool. So you can record your video. Obviously, you want to record a better video than that. Go outside and record all the scenery outside. Then you can tap on the tick mark at the bottom, add all your sounds, filters, effects, everything like that. Then tap on next and then just post your TikTok video with the autumn aesthetic filter. So that's how you get the filter. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.